Thank you for this enlarged vision on Europe. And before going to the next set of speakers, I think Nicolas Negroponte has a human right of speaking about the broadband.
Oh, God. I don't have a question, and but I hope everybody do agree that we do not mean broadband. We mean narrowband. The human right is narrowband. And I begged the UN not to call the Broadband Commission a broadband commission. I begged them 12 years ago to call it a connectivity commission. But the ITU, which represents, in a literal sense, the cell phone operators to a large degree, said, no, we can't do that. So we'll call it broadband, partly because I'd put it so far out people were comfortable with it. But we have to be very specific. Narrow band is good. Probably most people don't realize in this room that a 500-page novel is 1 megabyte. That's not a big number. You can load that very easily. Now, is the whole world going to be made of novels? No. Do you preclude video? No. But you preclude streaming. It's very important to at least agree to some that we're not talking about broadband, because that's a different animal, and it's an exponentially different animal.
I think this will bring a new kind of comment toward the end, because fighting people who desire to have Netflix is a different way of promoting a human right I fully agree with Nicolas, but I'm just warning about the danger of the market, when the market pulls something and you don't know what to do against it.
We're not fighting.
No, what if you say that the human right is just connecting, which is the right thing to do, you may find the resistance in some places like Europe because we are moving forward in something else that we think we miss. I mean, finally, Italy has received Netflix, and it was an uproar of enthusiasm. But okay, a movie in Netflix, I wouldn't even consider Netflix good for the Venice Festival or so on, but it's okay. That's another discussion, of course. So now, instead of continuing the discussion, I would like to go to dinner, to lunch in time. And so I have two other speakers who are here ready to talk. No. I have to give the chair to Mr. Butler for the next thing before lunch. And so, Antonio, this is all yours. I'm finished with my task.